What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Garage Builds. Today we're going to be replacing the toe links on the rear on the Mini Revo, because as you guys can see, if you look closely, we got movement in there. So pretty much these little hollow balls right here, yeah, they literally, like, they're not even making, they're barely making any contact. I'll show you guys once I bring these out, and I'm going to show you guys how we remove this. First, we're gonna have a 2mm bolt right here. It's gonna be one, and in the back you can have the second one right here, and these are the other two for the other side. But before you get to this, you're supposed to remove your wheelie bar. That also takes 2 bolts. And I'm gonna show you guys how we put that back once we replace these. So first, we're gonna start by removing this one right here on the top. Okay, we got the first one out. Remove the one right here. A lot easier. Alright, once you got this one out, put it to the side, and we should be able to pull this right out. Yes, right here. So there's a problem we were having. Look at that, that thing literally is falling right out. Look at it, literally fell right out. Barely even pressed it. Yeah, this one was alright, it's still holding on there, barely. Almost nothing. But I'm gonna show you guys how hard it is to install a new one, so you can see how tight it's supposed to be. It's not like this one. You saw how this one literally fell out? It's not supposed to be able to fall out. Look at these. Like, even if I press it, my crusty nail, like, it's not coming out unless you really press it. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at the new one. You're gonna get your little hollow ball, put it right here. Oh wait, there's the old bar right here. I was wondering why that wasn't fitting on the new one. I was like, wait, what? Let's get one of the new ones. Oh yeah, and in case you guys want to know what part number this is, here's a part number for you guys, in case you want to get one. There you go. Yeah, so let me show you how the new one's supposed to go in. So, I mean, you can pretty much press it in by hand, but it's going to be pretty hard. I like using my little tool right here, and I just press it in like this. Oh, you see? It's a little hard, even with the little tool. They wanted to fly out. Or you could also use the table, too. I'm just using this. I can demonstrate to you guys. Oh, my God. No, I'm going to use the table. Yeah, that's how I did the first one, but it's not working for me right now. I'm just do it on the table. A lot easier. There we go. You heard that? Thing even clicked. That's how, like, good and they're supposed to be. Look at the second one. Put it here. You heard that? Firm. Let's compare it to the old one. Look at the old one right here. Imagine I was gonna install this. Oop, it fell right through that. You don't want that on these, okay? So let's get to putting the new one in. You're gonna put it right through here. You gotta play with it because the little ball is gonna be sideways sometimes, so just play with it till it goes in there. Oh wait, I might have to loosen this one up a bit so you can give it some space. That's a little tight in there. Once we got that one loosened up, it should be able to go right in. There we go. Wait. There we go. Now we got this side. Now we do this. Okay. Now that we got it on, I'm gonna put bolts back in. We can put this one. If you want, you can just wiggle it in there, so make sure it catches it. If you want, don't tighten this all the way so you can have a little bit of space for the next one. Tighten down. We're gonna go on to, ooh, look at that. I like that green, looks pretty nice. All right, let's go on to the next one. I'm also getting, well, I already ordered them. They're on the way. I also got some neon green heavy duty springs for the shocks. I will also be showing you guys how to replace those if you guys would like to learn. And we're also gonna see how they perform. Okay. Man, these little cars are really fun. You just gotta be ready to make replacements if you ever break anything. But other than that, they are a blast to take to the track, to bash, even to race with your friends on the road if you like racing. I was literally just turning it. All right, now we can bring this one out. Look at this one. Is it gonna fall out? Is it gonna fall out? It looks like. Oh, would you look at that? That's bad. Well, we got a fix for that. All right, let's move it over a bit. See if we can find our way through here. There we go. Let me do this side right here. Sometimes you gotta force it a little bit in there. And there we go. All right. Now let's get our bolts back in there. Remember, you gotta move it around so they can line up until they line up. Let's see if we got it. Oh, there we go. That was perfect. Man, I kind of like, I'm digging that green, man. Looks nice. Likes it. I also got the springs are also green, so it's gonna be matching. All right. Now that we got that one, let's get the one that goes in the middle back in, right here. Make sure that's nice and tight. Don't over tighten things, because things are plastic and you will strip them, and then you will regret. Right? Look at that. It looks nice. And it reduced the tire. My wheel used to move a lot because of these parts right here. Now it's a lot better. Look at that. Oop, there goes the tire. Look at that. Looks nice. All right, and after that, we're gonna install the wheelie bar. And the wheelie bar goes right here. You're gonna have two of these. You're gonna have to line them up. And then I have your screws right here. It's pretty much a rod at first, so you can literally just push them right in, align them, push it in. Then you do the next one. All right. Once you got them lined up, you're gonna get your handy dandy screwdriver. Yeah, tighten this puppy down. All right, once you got your wheelie bar tightened down, I'm gonna put the tires back on. Already had the little nut in there. Oops, fell out. Oh yeah, by the way, a little heads up, you see these little nuts right here? They're locking nuts, so they actually lock into your wheel, so you don't have problems with your wheels flying out at the track. If you guys ever been there, it's not fun looking for your nuts all over the track, and by the end of the day not finding them. That's the worst part. So that's a good little upgrade to do to these, because they will save your tires from flying out, and you will also be able to have fun at the track instead of having to look for your nuts for your wheels, you know? So let's put this puppy back on. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So done, the after.